All right.
I'm not ready.
What's up, bro? All right, so anyway, we about a family though. Hey, Journey on TV, say hey. Hey, who is these? All right. Hey, Journey on TV.
Say hello, happy Easter. All right.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that, y'all.
Get y'all bowls.
All right. Easter Sunday by the family. All right. There's my twin brother right there, in case y'all wonder. All right.
Huh? Really? Who's going?
They go Santana on TV, say hey. You on television. All right. What you got to say? Nothing? There's nothing to say. Kirsten will something like that at the North Face. Or like Canal Villeray or something. Make sure we watch his hand. Let's go step outside. Oh, sorry. Hey, Journey, hello. All right. She said I say stop recording. All right. We can.
Oh, he is.
I don't own that music in the background, y'all. I wish she would have smiled though. Pretty teeth though. Okay.
Don't put that man face on.
Oh, let me.
Oh, Journey told me to go record.
Oh yeah. Let's go inside. Yeah. Janai and Journey don't want to be recorded, so we're gonna come back in here. All right.
Or when I get, let's say that.
All right. Let's stop the tape on the Facebook Live.